तो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग एंड वेलकम टू दी अनदर वीडियो। तो भाई आज हम हाजिर हैं आपके सामने एक नई वीडियो लेकर के, जिसमें हम एसएसटी के द राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप के एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो के साथ हैं, जो कि आपके शोभित भैया के द्वारा दिए गए हैं। सो बिना किसी देरी की वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। वीडियो स्टार्ट करते ही हमको सबसे पहले पेज पे हमें लिखा मिलता है शोभित भैया द राइज एंड रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट। उसके बाद दूसरे पेज में हमें माइंड मैप मिल जाता है, जो कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस चैप्टर को रिवाइज करने के लिए। उसके आगे हम जैसे ही बढ़ते हैं, हमको फर्स्ट डिफिनीशन मिलती है एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल इन इन्वायरमेंट विच कैन बी यूज टू सेटिस्फाई आवर नीड्स। मेनली बेसिक जो ब्रह्मांड में जितने भी चीज़ उपस्थित हैं, जिसके यूज़ से हम क्या नाम है अपने नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं, उसे रिसोर्स कहते हैं। उसके बाद क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, सीबीएसई 2018 का क्वेश्चन है। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन दे आर मेनली टू टाइप्स, बायोटिक एंड अबायोटिक। Biotic resources are resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life like human beings, flora, fauna, etc. On the basis of abiotic resources, which are composed of non-living things like rock and minerals. And उसके बाद on the basis of accessibility they are divided into two types, renewable and renewable. Renewable resources are which resources which are renewed and reproduced by physical, chemical and mechanical process, or basically in easy language we say that every resources which can be renewed in a short time are known as renewable resources, and they are present in our environment in unlimited amount, like energy, forest, etc. Non-renewable resources are resources which are formed after a million of years, like petroleum, coal, fossil fuel, etc. On the basis of development, they are mainly four types: developed, potential, stock and reserve. Developed resources are resources which are served and their quality and quantity derived for utilization. Potential resources are resources which are found but yet they are not utilized. On a basic, we can say that potential resources are resources which are found in a region but they are not utilized, like sun and wind energy in desert areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Stock resources are resources which these have potential to satisfy human needs, but they are not utilized by the existing technology, like extracting of H2 and O2 from H2O. Reserve resources are resources these can be utilized with the help of existing technology, but they are kept for requirement of the future generation, like water can be used to generate more hydroelectricity. On the basis of ownership, they are mainly four types: individual, community and national and international. National resources are resources Individual resources are resources which are owned by privately or individual, like plots, house, etc. Community resources are resources which are accessible for the all members of the community or environment, like public parks, playgrounds, picnic spots, etc. National resources, technically all resources which are available in our country are known as national resources, like forest, wildlife, land division, potential, etc. But 12 nautical miles from the sea area is belonging to the nation. International resources are resources which are regulated by the international bodies. For the next part, see the description.